Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Tech Studio. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to create Bereal account. For that, you need to open your Bereal app and you'll be guided to this official page of the Bereal account. You need to enter your country's code and enter your phone number. Once you have entered your phone number, you need to tap on Send Verification text. The verification code might be sent on your number. You need to enter the verification code here on this page to verify your account. Once your number has been verified, you will be guided to this page where you need to enter your first name. After you have entered your name, you need to tap on Continue. On this page, you need to enter your birth date. Once you have entered your birth date, now tap on Yes, I am 23 years old. Create your username. So you can also change this username later. Now tap on Continue. If you want to allow access to your contacts, tap on Allow. You can either add the people or skip this step. Now, here you can see that your account on Bereal has been already created. You can search your friends or the friends of friends also and use this account. Once you are done with all this process, you can easily create your account on Bereal account. If you find this video useful, then hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more tutorial videos. Thank you.